Today's recipe is a very simple spread made from potatoes, a potato spread. We also call it Erdapfelkäse or Kartoffelkäse. It's very easy to make, and I'm having a fresh bread being baked right now, so I'm looking forward to eat this together. Here's what you need. Of course, some boiled potatoes. I boiled them in their skin and then removed the skin after they cooled. Some cumin, some cream, some sour cream, onion, salt, pepper, and a little bit of fresh parsley for decoration later. And the quantities for this recipe are, like always, on the blog post. Here's the link. There will also be a link at the end of the video and down below in the information box. If you prefer the American measurements, you can switch between the metric and the imperial measurements in the blog post at the recipe blog. Alright, so let's start. And I'll first chop the onions. And I'll chop them very, very finely. Then I'll take the potatoes and mash them. And now I'm adding all these ingredients except for the parsley. The sour cream. Also the cream. Onions. I'm already adding a little bit of salt. Might need some more later. So this will all be mixed together now. I try a little bit. Wonderful. Needs more salt. And I'll give it a little bit of a whisk. Let's give it another try. Still a little more salt. Absolutely perfect. Yeah, so now I'm waiting for my bread to cool. It's already baked. And then I will spread it on my fresh baked bread and enjoy it very much. I'll show you how much. Now, let's have a bite of this. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely wonderful. If you want, you can put a little more cumin on it. You can also put the cumin right into the spread. I prefer to put it on a little later on the bread itself. Not everyone likes cumin, and I don't like it too much. I like a little bit of it, but it's difficult to really figure out how much you want to have. So, but do as it suits you. This is so good. I really recommend making this. It's delicious. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna eat this all now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe, hit the bell button so you get notifications whenever I make a new video. And thanks for watching. Bye.